Shruti, and I'm going to speak with you right now about overthink. Means some days means I am going to do one thing like overthink. Means I'm thinking in a over manner. Means it creates me a positive result in mind, and sometimes it happens in a right way. I'm going in a right way, but but if we are thinking in a wrong manner, in overthinking, so it gets means it results bad results in that. But if you are thinking in a overthinking manner, you must be thinking in a right place. So how could you find by yourself? Means you are thinking in a maximum manner. Means you are thinking in thinking by over. So try to be stable in that. And some I wanna tell you one thing in that. If you overthink somewhat, try to be meditate by yourself. All of you know how to do meditation. Means I supposed to do every time. Means in a day I did it. In a day I really do it for me for 3 times in each day meditation. And I love uh, I inhaling myself. I'm talking with myself. I only talk with myself. So how many of members from your side is you are talking with yourself? Is this a good habit for you? Means if we are talking with ourselves, if somebody not in there, so you are talking with yourself. This is a nice habit. You must have to speak with you by yourself. By day, I really talk with me. I really speaking with me every time. And means whenever I'm meditating myself in the early morning, when I woke up from bed, I tried myself. I started my day with a meditation, and then after that I'll go back for my work. Means my routine work that I just started to do. I started to do my routine from last 1 month, and I'm doing these things right now. Means I woke up early. Then after that, when I woke up from bed, I try to do meditation daily. And this meditation I regularly do it for 3 times. Means after wake up in the afternoon, and when I will go to sleep on bed, and before 5 to 10 minutes I'll do it for myself. Means for my mind, to stable myself. Means I have an habit. Recently, nowadays, I have an habit to do this meditation, to do exercise, to do walking and running. These are my good habits which I'm regularly doing these things. And nowadays, I'm doing some videos to talk with my followers. That can I contact with them. And most of the most of the people who don't know where is Pallavi, means see anywhere where is she. So I'm here, guys. I'm your friend, and I am in front of you. You can talk with me. And because see, I don't have to share my things to my friends because they always talk with me. But some of many friends, they don't know about me, so I can able to speak with them also. That's why I'm going to speak with you. And see, my topic is overthinking. So let's come back to the overthinking, because I'm taking that overthink more and more. That's why I did these things, because I left some days in a negative side. uh, like uh, like someone's talking to me, and always arguing to them. So I got it because of meditation. And right now my situation is, if someone is talking to me in a negative way, or in an arguing way, or in a tempered way, so I can able to stop myself right now. Means I cannot talk with them that situation, and I'm able to speak with them that time. Means I will speak with him or her in a silent manner. Means, so uh, all these things, it, it changed in my life, and really, means this is very helpful to me, and this is very spiritual for me. And I did everywhere. Means I did every day, like running, walking, and sometimes do it meditation. It's a little bit of it's near about I am giving to me. Means I am giving time for me only 1 and 1 hour. Means only 1 hour I am giving to myself in the early morning. Means I woke up at near about 5:30 to 6, and after that my day starts from 6 o'clock. And let me tell you guys, let me say you one thing. This is very helpful for me, and this can be will helpful to you also if you are follow this activity. That good activities, good habits, that are the good habits which I built myself, and I'm doing these things, and had been keeping all these things for a while, almost unstable. Almost. Where I'm going to talk to you all. Please, if you overthink anything, so do that things what you like to do. Do that things. Means it's supposed to be not these things in your side. You can do for your hobbies. You can do what do you like to do in that time. So do what you have to do. Okay. and and sometimes I also follows when I feel nervous. That time I always try to draw my new drawings. Always try, because drawing and painting is my hobby. So that's in my mind, and always doing these things in a day. In the day, if I decided one thing, I have to do these things. So I'll always keep in this thing only. So let me know if you like this video on overthinking. Uh, like and subscribe my channel, and if you like my content, please let me know in a comment. See you guys. See you. Bye. Have a nice day. See you soon.